is a sweet and juicy melon with a pale green or yellow skin. Y. Yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit is a tropical fruit with a vibrant yellow skin and a tangy, tropical flavor. Z. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable often used as a fruit in culinary preparations, with a mild and slightly sweet taste.